Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 18th of August 2022. Indian benchmark indices ended on positive note today with Nifty finishing above 17,950 with a change of 0.07%. At close, the Sensex was up 37.87 points with a change of 0.06% at 60,298 points. On the stock-specific front, we have Kotak Mahindra Bank, Larsen & Toubro, and Tata Consumer Product were among the top Nifty gainers. Buying was seen in realty, FMCG, power and banking names. Shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank surged after the bank hikes rates on fixed deposits of 390 days to 3 years. On the flip side, we have ONGC, Dr. Reddy's Labs, and UPL as major laggards. Share price of ONGC declined by 2.94% after the announcement that the company signed pact with ExxonMobil for deepwater exploration. Meanwhile, Nifty Pharma traded in negative and was down 0.34%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have Reliance Jio added 4.2 million new mobile customers in June, consolidating its past month gains. In contrast, Airtel only added 0.79 million customers while Vodafone Idea continued its losing streak as it shed 1.8 million users. With these gains, Jio's total wireless subscriber count stood at 413 million. Airtel and Vodafone Idea had 362.9 million and 256.6 million users respectively. This was the second consecutive growth month for Jio, which had added 3.1 million new wireless customers in May. RBL Bank has offloaded over 12% stake in Kilburn Engineering since May for a total consideration of over 17 crore rupees. The private sector lender had acquired 6,750,000 equity shares of Kilburn Engineering under a debt recast plan. The total consideration for the sale of 4,150,000 equity shares is 170,094,821 rupees till August 17, 2022. While the shareholding in Kilburn has come down to 7.58% post these sales of equity shares. Zomato-backed logistics technology platform Shiprocket on Wednesday became India's 106th unicorn after raising $33.5 million, about 270 crore rupees, in a funding round co-led by Temasek and Lightrock India. Shiprocket was valued at around $1.2 billion with the fresh round of funding. Tata Motors announced that it has won an order of 921 electric buses from Bengaluru Metropolitan Transport Corporation. This order is paramount for Bengaluru's growing need for clean, sustainable urban mass mobility. Tata Motors has already received orders for 1,500 electric buses from Delhi Transport Corporation and 1,180 electric buses from West Bengal Transport Corporation in the last 30 days. Indian oil explorer and producer Oil and Natural Gas Corp said on Wednesday it signed a heads-off agreement with global petroleum giant ExxonMobil Corp for deepwater exploration in India's east and west coasts. Collaboration between ONGC and ExxonMobil will be a strategic fit where ONGC's knowledge and past experience in these areas will be coupled with ExxonMobil's global insights, said the state-owned firm. Partnerships between ONGC and ExxonMobil will bring tangible benefits in the entire energy value chain and open new vistas to exploration and production paradigm. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.